If you're sore and tight through the middle part of your back and you feel like you need a really good, this video is for you. I'm gonna start in tabletop. So it'll feel like you're waving your butt from side to side, but I'm gonna push my right shoulder forward and turn my hips to the left like this. And then go the other way. That'll give you a nice stretch down your sides.
All vanity, this life it beat the man, till a man come regret. You probably see Columbus search the word for the word intellect.
Now we'll just do a little bit of cat-cow while we're in this position because it's going to help with your upper and your lower back as well. So breathing in, spreading out your shoulder blades, and then breathing up, breathing out, and lifting your chin.
It's a good key for your man city. Say the one come see me. I be like so with all a man glorify me, Lord. Can't talk to me the way God talk the man, fall back, come correct. All vanity, this life
Then pull the hips back, go into child's pose. Good stretch for the upper back. And then when we come into that upward facing dog position, try and stay nice and long through your lobe.
For this life, you go small till the last. Holy Father, we pray for your mercy. While me and my guys let the flex. Yeah, yeah. Pull up, Kwame. West side, and go, in my vape on me. Yeah, yeah. Pull up, Kwame. One touch, she mad.
Couple more.
Say you want come pre me. I be like show, I be MTV. Them they count 1, 2.
Now let's go into seated position. Soles of the feet together and drop the knees out to the side. So first, just rotate the shoulder forward and down, and then do the other side. So you're stretching between the shoulder blades.
One trying to see the one consequence, just follow one come collect.
You might find it actually stretches your hip at the same time, especially if you push down with your elbows a little bit into your knees. Now let's put one hand on the ground and then just reach over with the opposite hand and then drop down and come forward. So over to the side first and then drop down and come forward. I'm gonna do 10, that's 2. You got 3, that's Harley. 4, Harley, come here, darling. Good boy. 5, 6, 7. Harley's been running around in some freshly cut grass recently, so he's a bit itchy in his feet. He's been licking his paws. So he's had some nice soothing cream put on it today. I think that was 10. Now we'll do the other side. So hand on the ground first. So up over to the side and then rotate forward and down. Let's go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice. We'll go kneeling and sitting down, lacing the hands together, put them behind your head. We'll go side to side first, trying to keep the knees together if you can. And now we'll breathe in and close the elbows, breathe out and open. We'll open your chest up as well, and your shoulders. Now let's just put your feet to the side, any side, because we're going to do both sides. Reach over, and then reach the other way. We'll do 10. There's 3. 5, 3 more. Hi, darling, that's Honey. I think the neighbours are out. They distracted me. I think they were saying, let's change our feet, we'll do the other side. So we reach over, and then that way. You probably find one side is worse than another. It's pretty common. Sorry, darling. 3 more. Move over, darling. I'm sure they don't all want to look at your backside. Nice one. All right, you two. Come on in. Over here. Good girl. Sit here. What are you doing? What are you doing?